In this short video, you will learn how to use the Citation Linker tool on the Sacred Heart University Library website. Have you ever found a journal article that you needed to pay for to get the full text? Don't worry about charging it to your credit card. You can use the library's Citation Linker tool to see if the SHU library can provide you access instead. This tool can also be useful when tracking down articles you find in works cited lists or bibliographies. On the library's homepage, select Citation Linker from the search menu in the gray navigation bar. The form has several fields that you can fill out depending on how much citation information you have. Identifying numbers such as DOIs and PubMed IDs will provide the best information to help the Citation Linker service find the resource you need. Generally, aim to include as much of the citation information as you have. Once you have filled out the form with the necessary information, click Submit. If the library provides access to the item, Citation Linker will list the possible access points for that item. Following an access point link will most often bring you directly to the article, but may sometimes bring you to a journal page where you can browse to the item you need. If the SHU library does not have access to the article, you have the option to request it through interlibrary loan at no cost to you. Just click on Request this item and log in with your SHU username and password. For further assistance with Citation Linker or any other questions, feel free to contact us at the library.